Yes, hello? Suzette? It's Miss Sam. What's up? You alright, darling? You just got back from England, yeah? I sound so bloody homesick. I want to go home. Really, seriously. Yeah, I love England, man. I mean, England is real fun. I have a good time. Yeah. I just love England, especially Oxford and Manchester. Those are my two favourite places. Now and again, we go by Buckingham Palace, go see Queen Elizabeth. Yes! You never know, me and Queen Elizabeth, I was our friend. Oh, yes, I Suzette. Listen, she supposed me bloody rotten when I go to the palace. Yeah, but me have to make sure me call before me turn up. Yeah, come in like always supposed to. Yes. Anyway, we did chat, you know, here walk one in America. They might start to cheat people at the companies then, you know. And then so they want to bring in at the hospital. And you know that I work in the hospital, mate. But nobody not gonna cheat me. I tell you that. Right. They're gonna start cheating people maybe at the banks, the school, you pick them. Yes, the doctors. You know, see them already start chip the pussy and dog. So when that tell you, then they go and chip your children next, and then they're gonna chip your ass. Yes, the day child. You know, see the mark of the beast are coming now. Revelation are fulfilled, you know. I tell you, we live in the last days. That's why it's important we learn free. So our own clothes, grow our own food, build our own house that we're self-sufficient. So when them come with the pasa, we got fine piece of land and start up stuff and live on the land. Yeah. I'm not blame some of them people in the Dutch country. They don't use them electricity or anything, them self-sufficient, because they know what time clock and strike. I tell you. People better wake up. Yes, my day, make up get a little coffee. Yes, it's late now, you know. Must be about 5:30 something to 6 in the morning now. We have things to do today. Yeah. Oh, it's good talking to you. So when you have to come around for a little stiff drink. Cause long time we not drink, you know. Come on, come for a little drink. Come and cook a little food, a little pickle, and we sit down and labrish and chat man like dog. Yeah. Alright then, darling, take care.